Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to arrange video elements in your Google Vids scenes. So you're working on a Google Vids project, you're in a scene, and you've got a video element in that scene, and you're trying to work with how you can get it to appear in the scene. One thing you can do is if you select the video and go to Arrange, you've got a couple of different options for arranging the video. You could set the video as the background for the scene. So any elements that are on top of it, the video will be playing in the background of it, kind of a neat little effect. Or if the video is not full screen, or at least doesn't occupy the entire scene, you can make it expand to fill the scene so it takes up all of the space in the scene. That's an option you may want to explore, depending on how involved you want that video to be, how much emphasis you want to put on it. But once you have a video in a scene, you can do some things with it to add added emphasis. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.